Hi, in this video we are going to see the permanent assistant professor vacancies from one of the top college, and it is the State University affiliated college, and here the UGC pay scale you are going to get. So really it is a wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the permanent faculty job notifications, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them, and for more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Content of the video. It is Saint Joseph College, Mulamatum, from Arakulam, Kerala. So it is a college under the CMI management affiliated to MJ University. So from this college, here the assistant professor vacancies are released, guys. That means the notification is released here. So you may check down. It is the official website of this college. And coming to the latest news, you may check down here the 4th May 2021. Wanted assistant professors. So click on this read more, and then you will be directed to this one. And here you may check down the notification or else the advertisement, guys. So I will zoom little bit more. Yeah. So NAC re-aggregated with A grade. So contact number is given and the email ID is also given here. And it is official website. So I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So you need not to search separately. And wanted assistant professors. So applications are invited from qualified candidates for appointment to the permanent post of the assistant professors in the following subjects under open or community merit in Saint Joseph College. So English open category 2 vacancies and community 2 vacancies, and physics community 2 vacancies, and mathematics 1 and chemistry 1 and commerce BBM, okay, 1 vacancy is there. So these are the assistant professor vacancies from this college, guys. Coming to the age and qualification as per the government or UGC or else UTY rules, and application forms can be had from the college office on payment of 1000 rupees or can be downloaded from the college website, and shall be accompanied by a DD of 1050 rupees payable at South India Bank, okay, branch in favor of principal. And filled up applications should reach in the college within 30 days from the date of this notification. So here the date of this notification is 4th May 2021. So 30 days means you may take the next month. And coming to the age and qualifications and the pay scale, each and everything as per the government or UGC rules, guys. And here if you want to get the application form, then just click on this one, okay, and the application form will be downloaded. So open that application form, and whatever the details they are asking here, so you have to fill up all the details carefully, guys. So here first of all, name, permanent address as well as the present address, okay, and your academic qualifications and your teaching experience, research publications and extracurricular talents, and the list of the enclosures. Fine. So these are all the details given here. So you may fill up all these things and then send it with the necessary enclosures to the mentioned address as well as the DD also. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. It will be very much helpful to them. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide